Hey guys, this video is all about Goa nightlife, things you can do in Goa to get your party mode on. Generally, people suggest Baga or Kalangute beach, but we also found another beach where you can still enjoy but also not heavily crowded. So stay tuned till the end and let's get started. We are first heading to Baga Beach. At Baga Beach, there is ample parking space even for your four-wheelers. We paid 100 rupees, but on the board, however, it said 50 rupees, so we're not sure if it's a norm or because that day it was very crowded, they charged 100. But it's either 50 or 100, that's the price. There are lots of shops in tattoo parlor at the entrance of the beach, but the moment you guys step inside the beach, oh god, the environment is amazing. Super music and lots of lights and full on energy. So it's a must have experience, guys. Nightlife experience when you come to Goa. It's a must have. There are lots of beach shacks options available at Baga Beach. There are normal tables which are laid out very close to the beach. There are tents, there are bean bags, there are even certain shacks with DJ platform and all. So just browse around, guys, walk around and see what you guys like the most and then choose that beach shack. Romantic dinner. Here is our candlelight dinner. So we are now heading to Kalangute Beach. Unlike Baga Beach, for four-wheeler parking, there's not much space here. So if you're coming on a weekend, it's very hard to find parking. I would advise either come by two-wheeler or book a auto or a cab and reach this place. Kalangute Beach is equally a happening beach. In fact, I found Kalangute Beach to be more crowded than Baga, and there were a lot more shacks where I saw a lot of platforms where people were able to dance. Too many dance floors were there, so it was even more beautiful. I guess you guys should visit Kalangute Beach as well. We are at Anjuna Beach. This is much calmer than other beaches, and there are a lot of beach shacks here as well, but the music is not as loud as other beaches. So if you guys want to enjoy some peaceful time, you guys can come here and see beach is so close. The water comes so close. Here also there is some rocky terrain, so they have put some danger points as well in the night, so be careful, but it's a very beautiful beach. You guys should also check it out in the daytime because it has a lot of palm trees and coconut trees here. So
nice.
since this beach wasn't as crowded as Baga or Kalangute, we were still able to dance and have lots of fun. But it was even more fun to play in the water, and the beach was much more cleaner. So this beach is also a very nice beach if you guys want to escape from the hustle and enjoy a peaceful nightlife. We also want to share in this video places you can drive around in the night to see Goa in its full glory. There are lots of beautiful churches and streets where Goa is like fully illuminated, and it's so amazing to watch, guys. Whether or not you want to go inside a casino and be adventurous, do not miss out on driving through this road, guys. So many casinos on the Mandovi River. It's an amazing sight to watch. And also, if you keep going straight down the road, there is a beautiful Atal Setu bridge, which is glorious in daytime as well as in the night time. So these are some of the sites you must drive around and enjoy the lightings in the night in Goa. We drove around this street on a weekend, so it was heavily crowded. We were not even able to find a parking spot, so those many people were there entering the casino with the families or just by themselves. It was very energetic and lively. And on the road, it's just an entry to a boat point, and they take you to the casinos on a boat. So it's a very magical experience. I think once, if you guys want, you should definitely try it out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. See you all soon on more such videos. Bye bye.